The problem of bullying is now on a national stage. Today, the White House held its first conference on bullying prevention. Experts heard from parents of children being bullied. The president and first lady said it's hard for parents to know what's going on in a child's life, but urged all parents to ask questions. They said when something is wrong, parents should speak up and take action. Fox Chicago's Tisha Lewis has more.
Well, Bob, the issue hits close to home for the Obamas because they are parents. But the bullying is not just happening at school in the hallways. The computer has become a furnace fueling messages of hate to young victims, leaving many feeling helpless. The president said former head of Chicago Public Schools and current Secretary of Education Arne Duncan will spearhead the new effort. Even President Obama admits as a child he was a victim of bullying.
I have to say, with big ears and the name that I have, I wasn't immune. I didn't emerge unscathed. But because it's something that happens a lot, and it's something that's always been around, sometimes we've turned our blind eye to the problem.
The problem is now considered a pandemic, and it's targeting all ages, as Joshua Curvis learned from his first grader.
I actually have a 7-year-old, and he's a little concerned because he's been getting picked on at school. So we talked to him and told him, you know, stay to yourself, and if you have any problems, go talk to your teacher about it.
But bullying has graduated to cyberbullying. Attorney Daliah Saper says she receives at least half a dozen calls a month from parents of young cyberbullying victims.
The first thing that everyone asks is, we need to sue Facebook. Can we sue Facebook? Can we go after Twitter? Can we go after these sites that enable these postings to take place? And we have to do a lot of education. The answer is no.
On the heels of the White House conference on bullying prevention, Facebook announced new anti-bullying tools, including an improved safety center, which allows the victim to privately message the cyberbully. The site also added more social tools for reporting offensive or bullying content as part of its Culture of Respect campaign.
Bullying as a crime in and of itself is not illegal according to state statutes.
But Saper says parents should contact school administration or an attorney who can advise you of your rights under the law, and most importantly, maintain an open line of communication with your child and see if there's a way to counter negative content on the site itself.
Shut it down. Don't let them on there. If you don't let your children on there, then they won't get cyberbullied.
How realistic is that? It's 2011.
Why do children have to be on Facebook at the age of 10, 11, and 12? It's a social network. There's social responsibilities to that network.
I spoke with Dr. Joseph Mason. He's an adolescent and child psychiatrist, and on the phone he said victims of bullying could have long-term effects, including post-traumatic stress syndrome, nightmares, overeating, undereating, and the major risk is an increased rate of suicide in teenage girls. Bobby also said the United States has one of the highest rates of bullying in the world.
And there is no specific law about this yet, is there?
No, there's not. According to attorney Daliah Saper, who you saw in the story, she said there is no bullying law. At best, you can try to file something under a defamation category, but there's no bullying law on the books.
All right, Tisha Lewis, thank you.
Thanks, Bob.